In the DJI Mimo app, tap on General Settings, then tap on Gimbal Settings and make sure that First Person View mode is deselected. In this example, I selected the Follow mode instead. Then tap on Photo Settings and set Gesture Control to On. Finally, tap on the screen to come out of Settings. Now all you need to do is show the V sign or hand gesture to trigger the gimbal to track your face and take a photo or start recording a video of you after 3 seconds, depending on whether you are in photo or video mode. Once the 3-second countdown has started, you no longer need to show the V or hand sign. And that's all there is to it. Have fun!